So in this video, we're going to look at the Synthstrom Deluge. We're just going to check out one way you can just work on making a song in Arranger view. So if I'm in song view, I can see I have some pre-made tracks. Those are all just Midi tracks that are learned so that I can access them. We know we're in Arranger view by the blinking light up here. And what you can do is press the audition. You can see what instrument is what. So that's Midi 5 is connected to my JU06. Midi 6 is connected to my JP08. And then this is the Somalabs Pulsar. So we're just going to start by entering in to this track. Now I'm just going to start with a note. So I'll start with this note. I'm going to go to the next set here and just enter in some notes. So as you saw, I hit the wrong note here, and I can hold it down and then scroll it into place. So let's just listen to what that sounds like. Okay, so I liked that, but I want that to maybe play twice. So I can hold Shift and then press down the left-right knob, and it'll duplicate it. If I was zoomed in and press it, it just scales out. So it's playing 2 times. Let's extend it and go further. Maybe 4 bars. Now if I want to start here, just hold down left right knob, press play. So let's listen to how that sounds. Alright, I like that, so I'm going to zoom in. And then we're going to copy. So learn, left, right, knob, copy. And then we're going to scroll over this way. Shift, learn, paste. Now let's listen to how all of that sounds. That last note, I want it to change to right there. So let's just listen to that part. Zooming in, bar 4, left to right knob, press play. Okay, so I like that. Now I just went back into Arranger view. We can see that track. I could just loop it by holding the tail and extending it, but I don't want to do that because I want to make sure I count it out. So I want that to play 2 times. And then I want to enter a new section here. So we're going to press it, turn the knob here to white. Now let's put in some other notes, but before I do that, we're in 4th view, so these are bars right here. So now I guess I could just put in notes in every pad here. Okay, so this note. So let's see what that sounds like. Let's do the same thing here. Okay, let's just listen and see what that sounds like. Okay, so I like that. I'm just gonna add one more bar. Let's listen to it. Left, right knob, play. Okay, so I like that. Now, I'm gonna go to Arranger. So this is white, so it's its own instance, but I wanna use it again. So I'm gonna hold it down, press song again. That's all you have to do. Now we have 2 sections. So if I zoom out now, I can see that's how it's set up. All right, now after this, I want it to go back to blue. And I'll do that 2 times. Let's do the pink 2 times. Done. Now let's make another section so it's white now. I'm going to go into it. We're going to change the bar length, shift, drag it to 1. Okay, I like that, but I drew it too close, so I'm going to zoom in. We're going to hold down Learn, copy, zoom out, paste. There we go. Maybe still a little too fast, so let's bring it out to 2 bars, zoom out, paste. Let's see how that sounds. That's pretty good. Duplicate. Okay, now let's go to another bar out here. Not sure what zoom we're at, so I'm going to hold this down. We're in 8, so let's listen to it. Wrong notes, just turn them off. Let's see what that sounds like. I like that whole phrase, so we're going to zoom into it. And remember, we're going to copy all these notes. Learn, copy, shift, learn, paste. So let's zoom out. Let's hear how this sounds. Okay. Let's turn this into a new color. So I'm going to hold down this, press song again. And now we've made that into the third part. So if I zoom out, we can see the structure. Now what I want to do is start entering in notes, bass notes. So we're going to insert here. Let's zoom in. Now I want this to go, let's see, 4 bars. So I'm just going to turn it to 4 bars. We're going to start at the beginning. So it's a low note. Maybe it's a C, it looks like. Yep. So we're going to make it kind of long. Same note. Now we're at the 3rd bar, so let's listen to what note that is. Wrong notes, so we're just fixing them. Now if we go into Arranger, I can just paste it there. So it'll play that 2 times. Now let's create a new one here. Remember, turn it to white. Now I have to go in and make it 2 more bars. So hold down Shift and drag it. 2 more bars. Now we're going to zoom in here. So we'll put a note here. Note here, and a note here. Same note. Alright, so that is done. Now actually, this is not the right bar length, so I have to bring it back. There we go, 5 bars. Okay, it's matched now. So now I have that set. I'm going to hold down, press song again, and now we have the bass line all set. Then I can make the bass line back to blue here, here, pink again, pink. Let's zoom out a little. Okay. Right here we're going to make that white. Want to match the bar length here. So I'm going to go over, and we can see it's matched. Hold it down. Song, song. It's that color. Now we'll just listen to it. Changing the note. Okay, so that's it. Now let's say we want to add some drums. So we're going to zoom out here. We've got pulsar right there. So I think what I'm going to do is start a beat right here. I have to zoom in here. And it looks like that's going to be maybe 4 bars. So let's duplicate the track. Let's look at the length. Okay, let's double it again. There we go. I'm zooming in a 16th view. Just adding some beats. So if we look back, we can see there it is. And let's say I want the drums to come in here. It's going to stop there, so I just added a beat right in there. Now this is a little off sync now, but sounds like it's working so far. Maybe we take out the drums here and here, just add them here.